What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video. Today's video we are going to be looking at a sneaker that I was able to get access on. I don't even know why I got access to this shoe, but I haven't seen too many people actually review this sneaker here. I know these things sold out and I know it was a big deal not too long ago when everybody wanted these things because they thought that they were going to resell, which is pretty wrong, I guess. You know, a lot of people bought these things up, and I'm guessing this is probably because they returned them because they had not very much resale value. So I thought I would take advantage and pick this shoe up. This is probably one of the best sneakers that out of the packs, or out of the I guess I'll let you guys know what they are. They're Kobe's. Out of the Kobe's that released this year, this is one of the ones that I actually really wanted to get my hands on. I wanted to get the PJ Tucker PE, but I wasn't able to do that. I got the DeRozans and the containers. I was able to get those off of the draw, and then I was able to get another pair for the boy, Dirty's Got Soul. But yeah, I'm unboxing this right now. Kind of excited to take a look at these. I actually got access on it earlier this week under my daughter's account, so I thought I'd take advantage, you know, and pick up this pair. These do run a little bit tight. This is the Kobe 5 Protro. It is Concord Midwest Gold, and well, it's a size 9.5. I went up a half size and it retails for 180 bucks. Or 9.5 is the size. Got your Kobe logo on the top of the box right there, and you know, well, it's just a Kobe. We're gonna take a look at it. See, I know this shoe kind of looks blue in pictures. It looks blue and it kind of looks like a Golden State colorway, and it's supposed to be like gold and purple, but on the pictures this thing looks blue. So we're gonna see how it looks like in hand, or I'm gonna let you guys know what it looks like in hand. Okay, here's the shoe right here. It is the 5 rings, the Kobe 5 ring. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Let me get the other shoe out of the box. These shoes are pretty cool, man. I think that this shoe is more of a athletic wear. Of course, you can't really rock these with jeans, but it almost reminds me of like an indoor soccer shoe. Of course, it's a basketball sneaker, but here we have them. They have some blue icy outsoles, and it's kind of like a bluish, creamy tint on the color. And of course, you got your Kobe sign right here, and then you got some carbon fiber plates right here underneath the outsole with some yellow pods. The shoe is pretty cool. It signifies the 5 rings. In hand, yeah, it does look blue. It doesn't look purple and gold. I really don't understand why this was supposed to be purple and gold. The shoe really don't look purple and gold. It really just looks like a Golden State colorway. This actually looks like something that Steph Curry could probably rock. You know what I mean? Like, he could definitely. It looks like an Under Armour shoe. Not to be hating, but yeah, it does. I really thought it would be purple because under the Nike detailed description of the shoe, it said that it was supposed to be like a purple and gold, but this is definitely a blue and gold color. If not yellow, mustard yellow. But the shoe is nice in itself. I actually like it. I actually dig it. I'm happy that I was able to pick it up for retail. You know, it does say MVP inside the insole, and you probably can't see it. It's probably kind of dark. Let me take the insole out for you guys so I could show you guys what it says. I believe both of them do say MVP. Here it is right here, man. Cool insole. It says MVP on it. And yeah, I mean, it's just something light, a little pickup. You always gotta, I take advantage of as many sneaker blessings as I can get. If I could catch a W on stuff, then I'll catch a W. And honestly, I do want Kobe's in the collection, man. It's so tragic what happened at the beginning of this year. It's crazy to think that it's already gonna be a full year since his passing. These are just a little shoe to rock and just show love, man. Show love to a legend. Unfortunately, you know, his shoes are more of a less of a lifestyle and more of a on-court sneaker. So I could see why there's not like super hype around these, other than, you know, it sucks because it is what it is. But yeah, he passed away, and that's what brought the hype to the Kobe's. But unless you are a true diehard fan, you probably didn't have many Kobe's in your collection. And you know, I didn't. and I wasn't a huge fan, but I did grow up watching him play. So this is kind of cool to have retail pickups. You know, I have these in the DeRozan PEs, but these just signify his the 5 championship rings that he won with the Lakers. So to me, that's dope, man. You know, pretty happy to have these in the collection, and just happy in general to be able to pick something up for retail nowadays. That's kind of hard to do. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Let me know if you guys actually like it. I haven't seen anybody really review these shoes, man. It's crazy. You know, it's like, come on, bro. Like, did you guys really just buy these shoes just to keep them stored and thinking that they were gonna go up? They're gonna. I like what Nike's doing. I like how they're just dropping a bunch of Kobe's, so the resale value is just dipping. Like, it's dipping pretty low, you know. So you could say that Nike is contributing to getting rich off of his passing, but not really, man. I feel like what they're doing is the right move. They're letting people that want these shoes, they're letting them have them. And for me to get this shoe, I'm just happy. I'm blessed. Retail 180 bucks. I think I paid like 190 something. It's got your 24 and your K. It says KB right here. It says KB right here. If you guys can't see it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does say KB on the toe right there, and on this left side. And on that left side, it has a 24. So that to me is pretty cool, man. It has a 24 and then the KB on the other side. Cool shoe. Happy to have it, man. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, man, I got a few pickups back here for you guys to do a little review on. If you guys can see right here where my hand's at. Yeah, I got a few pickups for you guys there. But other than that, that's it. We'll take a look at those on Monday, and yeah, I appreciate everybody that's been subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys. If you guys are enjoying the channel, hey man, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys don't get it lost in the sauce. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you guys are liking the content, like I said, and share it with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here, man. You guys have a good weekend. Catch you on the next one, man. Later.